Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends. So guys, if you're using Messenger on iPhone or on Android phone and you are facing the issue that these active friends are not showing on your Messenger app. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen. Now you have to open your app store if you are using iPhone, and if you are using Android you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Messenger. After this you have to click on your Messenger app and update your app if not updated, and after doing update all the features will be enabled on your Messenger app. So guys, after doing update, if still not fixed, then you need to apply the second method. The second method is you need to open your settings here, click on general, click on iPhone storage, scroll it down and click on Messenger, and you need to offload your app from here, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after reinstalling you need to check that your problem has been fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to apply the third method. The third method is you have to open your Messenger app and click on three lines, click on settings. After this you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of report a problem. Click on continue and click on include, and after this here you need to write your problem that you are facing again and again, that active friends are not showing, and upload a screenshot. After this you have to send your appeal. Within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, these are the three possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.